All right, so this is the YouTube ad revenue module. And obviously, if you're brand new, you're not going to be monetized right away. But I do want to show you some things that are good to know when it comes to YouTube ad revenue. Also, there's some things you can do to get monetized a little faster, which I'll talk about in the cash cow module when we do that one. But this, I just want to show a couple things, like I said, that I think are good to know, just to give you an understanding. Okay, so this is our Excess Crypto YouTube channel. We'll go to the YouTube studio here. And if you go to monetization right here, it shows you this. Okay, so it shows you literally how many subscribers you need and then how much watch hours you need. Okay, so you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this is over the last 12 months, but it's not like, it doesn't like go to zero after 12 months. It's like a rolling 12 months, if that makes sense. So from like, if it goes to 2022 for the new year, all of your watch time and subscribers from the past 12 months disappear. Doesn't work like that, okay? So it's just like a rolling 12 months. And typically, you're gonna get the subscribers before the watch hours. At least I did. But yeah, so again, I'll show you some quick hacks about that in the cash cow module, but that's the basics, right? You need that to be able to be in the YouTube partner program and get ads on your channel, which is how most of these no face channels and cash cow channels make their money, right? A lot of them, you see like the bigger ones, that's like their main focus, right? But I do want to show you some like policies and stuff here, and you can learn more, right? So we'll click here and click here. Just kind of give you some more information, okay? So this kind of shows you like the overview and what you get access to, and this stuff, I mean, it's not really important. Like for example, you can like copyright people if they use your content. I used to do that at the start, but now I'm just like, whatever. Most of the time they get like no views anyways, so I just let them keep them. I don't even care. But you do get creator support teams, which is cool. And then you get all the monetization features, which some of them require a certain amount of subscribers. Like for example, you have to get, I forget what it is, like 10,000 subscribers to have YouTube memberships and 30,000 for the merch bar. But that's just, yeah, they show it right here. Merch shelf, channel memberships, and all that. Super chats too, that's another one. But the main one is YouTube ad revenue from your videos, right? And that's really all that's important. And then on the policies here, they kind of just show like what they check when they're reviewing to see if they'll let you into the partner program and all of that. And you can check that out if you want. But basically all you need is you need to get the subscribers and the watch hours, and then you need to create a Google AdSense account. And then you literally link your bank account and then link your channel to that AdSense account. And then the thing I should tell you is, I thought they said it. Maybe they don't say it here. Yeah, I don't see it here. Maybe it's somewhere if you read through this. But basically, once you get approved into the partner program and you have your AdSense account linked, you'll start making money to your AdSense account. But for your first payout, they send you like this little card in the mail. It's like a PIN, and then you have to enter the PIN into your AdSense account. And that basically proves that you live at the address you entered in. And then you can get your first check or bank transfer, which is what I do. Okay. But then once you, like, for example, once you have an AdSense account, I'll just show you. They don't really even like use AdSense anymore. But like you can still see like your balance, your last payment, all that stuff. And then you would just go into like account, and then you would put your information in there. And that's how that all works. And they'll explain it on that card once you get it, like with the PIN and all that. And yeah, so I guess I'll show you like my account really quick. So once you're approved and all that and click monetization, you can see all the different monetization methods here, right? The main one is ads, and then you got, of course, the merchandise, the memberships, all that stuff, right? But then if you go to like your dashboard or your analytics, you can see your estimated ad revenue, right? And you can also see it on your videos, okay? So if you go here, right there, you can see like how much you're making and all that stuff. And when you're actually uploading the video, there will be a spot where you can add in like your ads. So it'll look pretty much like this when you're uploading the video. And then you can add in like mid-roll ads in certain spots, right? Okay, so that's kind of how that